Shalom everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ane Yao Hanan. Okay, so I'm here in this beautiful mountain of Cape Town again in Muizenberg, Kalk Bay. So yes, you can see how beautiful. Let's take the walk. And my people are, you know, they in that car over there, but I thought I should take a walk to the place, and just to show you guys also the beautiful sea. And there's a railway, but the rails are no longer like they used to be, and today also it's a Sunday, so it cannot have the traffic. It's little because of there's not so many people. Probably from tomorrow, since people go back to work, mostly the majority go back to work tomorrow, so there will be much of traffic. I should have gone the other side under the bridge there. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna walk under the bridge and just around the seaboard. Let's just see how it goes. So look at this road is the most congested road, main road in Cape Town, where you have all most of the cars. It's a very tiny road. This is like an European road. So let's see how small or slow is the traffic. But let's go under this tiny tunnel and enjoy the sea. Okay, small tunnel. Hi, and here's the sea. Beauty of Cape Town, the mother city. The tide is high. See this? And up there is the mountains and the water. That mountain pours water down here, especially when it rains. These houses suffer a lot. There's a beautiful view, but it's also a risk at the same time when you're too close to the sea like this, because these are the places that will suffer one day if the sea rises. Not if, but when, because I know it will. This place is sinking down. So, it's very beautiful. It's lovely around here. Okay. So,
and I can't turn back the hands of time. Ooh, yeah. No, I can't turn back the hands of time. Yeah, yeah. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. Yeah, I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. Yeah, I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who brought me through. All my painful days are gone. Them chains are all. Yeah. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who pulled me through.
wow, man, okay, I could have walked there. Also, shit. Oh man. Yes. Yes, welcome to Cape Town. Always will meet people with good vibes, no negativity, and you know, people enjoying themselves, and that's the beauty of, you know, city of Cape Town. Just checking. This is my walk along the seaboard of Kalk Bay, between Muizenberg and Kalk Bay. And yeah, I just passed St. James. Hello. Yeah.
Painful days ago, them chains are off. Yeah. I just wanna know the truth. I think I know what.
This video is gonna be my 10-minute walk from Muizenberg to Kalk Bay. That's how I'm gonna title this video. So that I don't have to, you know. But yeah, people. Hello. Sorry. No, it's fine. That's people are enjoying the sea. It's not. People are enjoying the sea. It's a kind of quiet place here. This is not really the main sea or the main beach. There's the bigger beach there. But this Kalk Bay beach is too rocky. That's why it's so tight, crammed here. Because this side is too much rocks, and you can see over there, like there's so much rocks around here that at the sea it's just very small, and you know, the beach or very small and tight. So yeah, look at this. Okay. Where am I going? How am I going? Woo! Am I going this way? All right. Oh, let's see. I should have gone there. It's more cramped, but it's fine. I'll take this one. This side. Should have gone more through there. Go all around the beach, around the tight passage there. But it's fine. Oh. Under the bridge again and get out the other side of the main road, so that I can find, because the restaurant's quite far from here. This is the station, and yeah, this is St. James station, train station. Very quiet. I know there's another entrance at the bridge. There's another tunnel down there, so I'm gonna go to the one in front. and come back probably. So let's see how it goes. Over there, probably they're doing a baptism day, but let me not talk about that one because I might say other things around there. Whew, there's no tunnel here. I have to get out. Should be one. It should be one here. There's none. I'll come back. I'll walk back. And again, this is just me taking a walk along Muizenberg, from Muizenberg to St. James. So if it's your first time, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And
what to do? I'm sticking to your script like glue, or at least I'm gonna give my best effort to. I remember when I didn't even know.
okay. Whew. Enter the Dragon's Den. Let's do this. I'm out now and I'm on the main road back. Oh God. I am back on the main road. So again, this was a short video. I just wanted to show you guys Muizenberg to St. James walk along the seaboard. And what's up? I had to.
I told him you're gonna go down.
No, yeah, I went down the tunnel until here. I came out here. It was a beautiful one.
Where'd you come on?
Yeah, just there's a tunnel here. Shalom again.
You know what I told him? You went that way.
Yes.
Come out to the eyes coming.
I had to, well, you know, I had to go down the tunnel, bit of the sea, and
Beautiful day.
yes, there's a lot of people though. The beach is very tight.
Yeah.
But yeah, yes, I came through here.
That's
Hey. Yo. I was almost there. I thought you guys were there. So I almost went. I came out there, you know, just before the train, by the train station there, St. James. But I said no. Let me continue from the up there. My global positioning system. All right. A long time but let's see, this is just gonna be a slide and just a fast forward. move them around. Very tight, huh? Hamilton House. You know what I'm saying? Very. This is a hotel or what?
Seems like it.
Rovos Rail. Santa Co. Saint. Okay, this.
Gas events.
Leighton. Put a music on it, Leighton. Nice one, no? Must come there. Back to the sea. When train used to be normal, this area you will see the train passing. But after COVID, the trains become, you know, stories, mismanagement also, and yeah. But apparently, the city of Cape Town, because they will be fighting there to take control of the metro or the train services in Cape Town, and the national government has granted them, the transport minister has granted them to run the metro rail in Cape Town. So the city of Cape Town will be running the train services in Cape Town, which the service delivery might be different, though sometimes we know the city of Cape Town kind of favor the rich and do little for the poor community. So let's hope that the train services will be run efficiently in both communities, not just the rich area of Cape Town.
And I can't turn back the hands of time. Ooh, yeah. No, I can't turn back the hands of time. Yeah. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who brought me through. All my painful days are gone. Them chains are off. Yeah. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who pulled me through. All my painful days are gone. Them chains are off. Yeah. I just wanna know the truth. I think I know what to do. I'm sticking to your script like glue, or at least I'm gonna give my best effort to. I remember when I didn't even know your name. Ever since then, so much has changed. All my painful days are gone. Them chains are off. Yeah. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody but you. I knew it couldn't be nobody else but you. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who brought me through. All my painful days are gone. Them chains are off. Yeah. I just wanna know what deeper you. I just wanna know who pulled me through.
Village market in Kalk Bay. Wow, Mecca. A-N-T-A. Let's see. Peasant. Shalom again. Woo. Didn't see this one. It's called the peasant market. Huh. It's not a good name. Let me see if I can cross over. Ohana Beach Cafe. Oh. I wanted just to want to walk so long, you know.
Yeah.
Try to,
That is the
see.
info.
Look at the African market. Looking for skiing. Yeah. Moon. When I used to do photo shoots, we used to come shoot around here, just on the street, yeah.
Yeah, I saw, but I never knew you were one of them.
Yeah, I've done it many times. Yeah.
You see this premium?
Yeah.
We did that.
Okay.
The restoration of this road.
Yes. Okay. I used to come shoot around here, like when I used to do photo shoots a lot. The problem is with photo shoots, once you go like in a movie for 3 months, 4 months, you're not available. They call somebody else, and you know, hardly you get called again. So those are one of the things with the entertainment industry. Ooh. Kalk Bay trading post. Wow. The train. Okay. Where they at? We go the other side over there?
We can go. Come.
Okay. You know what? One thing I forgot is water, but it's okay. We're still in Kalk Bay. We just like viewing the city, mostly business along the way. You always want to see this antique business around here, Kalk Bay, along this road. It's 7 days a week they open. These guys are here every day. So yeah. And we have let's sorry, the other side. Okay, wait.